Hi. Today, we will learn the phrase fit somebody into something. It means to find time or space for someone or something. Imagine your schedule is busy. You want to see a friend or have a meeting. You ask, can you fit me into your schedule? This means, can you find time for me? You can also say, I will try to fit you into the meeting. This shows you are making room for someone. Fit somebody into something is polite and useful. You can use it for appointments, meetings, or events. Remember, it is separable. You can say, fit me into the schedule or fit me into it. Don't forget the preposition into. Wrong. Fit into me, the meeting. Right. Fit me into the meeting. Similar phrases are squeeze somebody in or make time for somebody. But fit somebody into something is more neutral. Try to use it when you talk about busy days. It helps you sound natural and polite. Thanks for watching. Practice using fit somebody into something today